doubt. And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend.
Yeah, okay, we gotta change the pegs. My foot just slid off the peg there. Before it gets dark.
So I'm going to do a lot of narration for this video, as when I was on the track I was a little too focused to do any talking, and there's a little bit of a backstory that's important to tell before I got to the track. The story starts like this. The day before I went to the track, we could not get the bike to start, so we thought we figured it out, put a new spark plug, fresh gas, and the bike started running. And we thought we fixed it. So fast forward to next day. Next day, the bike is loaded up. I start taking off towards the track with me and my buddy, and 30 minutes into the drive, I had forgot my motocross boots. So quickly turn around, call my girlfriend, have her run them to me, meet her halfway, get the boots, continue on journey towards the track. About a mile outside of a somewhat large town, I blew the tire on the trailer. And no big deal, I brought a spare. Go to switch the tire around, and the stud that is connected to the lug nut just starts spinning. So that enables the lug nut not to be able to come off. So fast forward, I drag the trailer with the blown up tire into town, rent a U-Haul, a motorcycle trailer, load the bike onto the U-Haul, call a mobile mechanic to come switch that tire around while I continue my journey towards the track. Mind you, I was supposed to be at the track by 10 a.m. It is now almost noon. I am running really late, and I'm really in a hurry to get there, and everything is just not going my way. So we get to the track and unload the bike, and I'm like, I want to get the bike started and warmed up before we even bring it in there. And because it has been having trouble starting, and we try for about 30 minutes between me, my buddy, and another random guy. For 30 minutes, cannot get the bike to start, and so we bring it inside. I bring it over to an outlet. I brought a heat gun with me, and I have my buddy sit there and roast the engine with the heat gun while I go get changed into my motocross gear for about 20 minutes. And after about 20 minutes of sitting there roasting the engine with the heat gun, we bring it inside to the track area, and it finally starts. And we let it run for a little while, get it nice and hot, so that it's able to run when I go onto the track. And now we are at the point in the video where I can just roll the film and do my narration, as I will explain to you my thoughts and feelings about riding that I experienced that I was not able to say because I was just trying to not fall off the bike or crash or all of the above. So without further ado, let us begin the video. I couldn't get it to start. I tried and tried, and then had my buddy come over. He finally got it to start, and finally got onto the track. I get out on the track and I forget to hold the bike with my knees for the whole first set that I went out there. So a lot of this going around the track is me jumping off of my pegs and landing back on them because I didn't hold the bike with my knees. I also stalled the bike a lot and was able to just pop start it on the fly, thankfully. I had a lot of things going through my head, trying to like do the right stance, and trying to figure out what gear to be in, and what gear, and how fast should I go on the jumps, and then why am I flying off my pegs? So I'm still at this point trying to figure out how to corner and turn around the track, and there is some ruts that I don't know how to drive in yet, so I'm still just kind of figuring this out, and also learning the track because it's my first lap, so I'm just kind of figuring it out as I go. Prime example of me jumping off the pegs and then falling back onto them. Like I was climbing straight up a steep wall. It doesn't look like it on the GoPro, but in real life, this jump looked like I was going right up a wall. I killed the bike, and then I try and fail to start the bike, and I just ended up pushing it up the hill and rolling down the hill and pop starting it. It was the end of the session for my class anyways. So. At this point, I'm just pretty much exhausted. Just riding around the track as much as I have has worn me out, and now trying to start the bike is just not working out in my favor.
I was just gonna see if I could pop start it down the hill.
That's fine too.
Huh? What? Hold on. What?
Did you just die out there?
No, I killed it.
Oh.
Whew. That's a lot harder than it looks.
It is.
On TV.
Kind of scoot the bike this way a little bit. Kind of scoot it back a little bit. There you go.
There we go. Whew.
Or when you're ready. I didn't know what
Holy shit.
What do you think?
That's way hard. What?
It's harder than it looks.
Dude, that's way harder than it looked on.
I spotted you a mile away out there. I seen him go by. I was like, that's him.
Who, me?
No, him.
On the big red blob.
Get out there.
Step into the